Looking for a hair treatment that does it all? Milk_Shake Incredible Milk is an intense leave-in spray mask that packs 12 powerful benefits into one easy step. Whether you want to protect your hair from UV damage, repair breakage, or maintain vibrant color, this treatment has you covered. It even shields your strands from heat styling while keeping your hair soft and manageable, making it a must-have for anyone serious about healthy, beautiful hair. I've tried countless hair products, but this one stands out. The moment you spray it on towel-dried hair, you notice the difference. It detangles effortlessly without weighing your hair down. The formula blends milk proteins that strengthen and nourish each strand, with glycolic fruit extracts like blackcurrant, raspberry, papaya, and mango that tone and energize your hair from root to tip. Plus, the scent is a subtle vanilla that lingers pleasantly without overpowering. What really impressed me was the organic muru butter from Brazil, which deeply hydrates and rejuvenates hair, leaving it feeling soft and healthy even after just one use. If you're tired of juggling multiple products or dealing with dry, damaged hair, Milk_Shake Incredible Milk offers a simple solution. Just spray it on after washing, distribute evenly, and style as usual. It's lightweight but powerful, suitable for all hair types, and proven to protect, repair, and enhance your hair's natural shine and strength. Worth a look if you want a professional quality treatment that fits right into your routine. Try it when you're ready to give your hair the care it deserves.